Number 399. Find the area of the composite figure shown below. So we have a rectangle and a semicircle. The area of the rectangle is just the length times the width. The length is 12 yards, the width is 8 yards. 12 times 8 is 96, so the area of the rectangle is 96 square yards. Now how can we find the area of the semicircle? The area of a full circle is pi r squared. So the area of a semicircle is going to be 1/2 that. So 1/2 pi r squared. What we need to do is find the radius. The radius is the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle. So this part here too is the radius. Notice that it's half of 8. If this is 4, this other side has to be 4. So the radius of the circle is 4. So the area of the semicircle is 1/2 pi r squared. We're going to use 3.14 for pi, and r is 4. 4 squared is 16. Half of 16 is 8. 8 times 3.14 is 25.12. And that's going to be square yards. So now to get the total area of the composite figure, we need to add these two numbers. 25.12 plus 96 is 121.12 square yards. So that's the total area of the composite figure using this for pi.